Today, I'm going to introduce you to the newer KM19 wireless microphone. So let's get cracking. All right, let's see what we've got in the box. Of course, this is the KM19 wireless microphone. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. We got the product manual. Storage case with the receiver in the middle and the microphones to either side. A nifty storage pouch and cable for charging. All right, don't forget there are protective covers that we have to remove before we can charge. As you can see, I have charged up the base and now we're charging up the mics. All right, so we're back with the newer KM19 USB-C. So I'm going to attach it to my phone, and as you can see, these are absolutely tiny. Comes with a visual display showing that we're charged at 94%. And it is instantly able to connect and find the receiver. On the microphone, we've got a settings button right here, and we can also adjust the receiver right there. Of course, right now I'm not using the K19. This is just on my prior iPhone. And let's hit get. Double click to install. And after a moment, we can open it. I'm going to zip through the agreements. All right, so here we go. We are in. I'm going to switch to this screen right here. As you can see, the microphone, even though it's down here, is picking up my voice. And here we go. Testing. 1, 2, 3. And one of the coolest features is we can actually play this right through the headphones. Testing. 1, 2, 3. How cool is that? Almost no setup, and bang, we're recording with a wireless microphone. If we just check our settings right here, you can see we've got different choices for sample rate, low cut, input channel, bit depth, noise reduction, vocal boost, audio input source, and file format. We can turn on AI denoising, which I really don't need right now in this room, but at least we can. And of course you could turn on monitor, but we don't want to do that right now because we would get feedback. And then here's where you can adjust the microphone volume. So here we are using the new microphone, just showing off some of my 3D prints. This was printed with the longer LK10. This is the one I sent to PCBWay. It is actually a metal 3D print, instead of course this one being PLA. Also clicky fidget. Listen to how the clicky sounds. And then finally, the Snake by Muzz64, but tagged with HLModTech. Of course, the goal right now is to test out the sound of the newer KM19. Let's quickly run through a few things about the microphone. It has got number 2, the power indicator. This displays the power and battery level. Number 3 is the function light. And then finally, number 4 is the power, noise reduction, and mute button. The controls are super simple. Long press 2 seconds to power on. You'll see the blue light slowly flashing. To power off, it's long press 2 seconds. Everything goes off. If you do a single pressed, you've just turned on noise cancellation. And when it's on, you'll have a solid green light. If you double press, it mutes it and you'll have a solid red light. If you hold it for 5 seconds, it goes into power on and pair mode. You can tell it's connected if you got a solid blue light. If it's not connected, the blue light will be slowly flashing. When you're at low battery, you'll see a red light flashing. All right, so I'm outside. This is the Ruco U11 Mini. I'm going to power it all on. Cool thing about this is the controller actually has the phone built in, so you don't ever have to connect the phone. The drone is under 250 grams, so you don't have to worry so much about the FAA. So you can see we connected. We've got satellite, got a number of volts. This will be how I check my distance and stuff. And let's see if we can launch it. Bingo! Up in the air. Now I'm going to turn on the camera recording. And let's do a quick flight. Super stable. And an absolute blast to play with. Promised you a look at the trees. So I'll pop you up and show you how those are blowing around up there. Of course, today is really all about the microphone though, so we're going to keep this super quick. It'll be interesting to see how much we can hear the drone as it comes back down into microphone range. All right, so that was a fun test of the KM19. Love how I was outside. We didn't have any of the outdoor noise. There was a truck somewhere beeping. I could hear it with my ears, but it did not come through the microphone. Also, you can see the wind noise up in the trees. We had none of that through the microphones, which was fantastic. Things to love about the microphones. Obviously, they're compact. Storage case charges them. They've got enough battery to last a full day. So I've been working with the KM19 for more than a week now, and I often just skip the app. It is so quick to plug in. They connect, and then bang, I can be into my recordings, getting you higher quality audio as I work through the different projects I do. I do want to highlight also how much I love that you can play the audio from your phone without having to disconnect anything. I hit the gallery, I hit play, and I can hear how I sound right from the phone, no other headphones or any other device. Also, I was really impressed with the ANC while we were in the outdoor environment. I also really love how easy it is to simply tap the controls and roll. Of course, if you want to learn more, make sure you check for links in the description. As I wrap up, I do want to say thank you to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 different levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. I also want to say thank you to everybody that supports me via Patreon. That group is past 500 members. It has a fantastic messaging area. You can ask questions, post designs, gain skills. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe. You're helping HLModTech get just a little bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.